Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a brand new video and it's actually an interesting one. What I'm going to do today is a haul of free stuff I got. I'm not bragging, I just wanted to show off. People seem to really like these videos. And also too, I'll share some tips because all of these products are not because I am a YouTuber. Some of them you'll be able to get too, so I will share some tips. And if you're not subscribing, don't forget to hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. So I'm just going to jump right in here because we have quite a few products to talk about. So I'm just going to begin probably with some PR I received. So Mark Anthony, thank you so much. You guys have been spoiling me so much lately and I absolutely love their products. So recently I got 2 packages sent. So the very first one was the repackaging of their Strengthening Grow Long shampoo. And it has an anti-breakage formula for longer, stronger hair and adds shine. I've used this. It works really well. You guys can see I have super long hair and it's working good for me. This is their coconut oil and shea butter line. I haven't tried this shampoo yet. But I have tried the hairspray. Smells delicious. And I really trust Mark Anthony products. I think they're really good products. I do enjoy using them. This is from the Strictly Curls line as well. So it's a curl defining lotion. And I haven't actually been wearing my hair curly lately. I've been all about the straight hair. So I am excited to try this because in the summer I do tend to have a little bit more curly. I tend to wear my hair curly. My hair is naturally curly. I've done some videos with my curly hair. So they actually sent me as well this big box and I didn't do this. I feel really guilty about it, but I was really busy that weekend. But they said, we want to feature you at Gen Beauty, and they showed off a lot of their new products at Gen Beauty, and it looks really exciting. They have some really good things coming out. I believe these are new products as well. So this is the Strengthening Grow Long Volumizing Texture Spray. So create sexy tousled hair with volume and shine. And I can say I've really been enjoying this. I find sometimes my hair is a little flat, so I've just been putting this in to get a little bit of oomph. Also makes my hair very shiny too, so I love that. This is the Strictly Curls Perfect Curl 7-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Foam. So like I said, I haven't been wearing my hair curly, but I'm really excited to do this because it says it defrizzes, defines, moisturizes, detangles, smooths, softens, and shine. Everything you want your hair to do. The next thing is this Grow Long Dry Shampoo Foam. Extra cleansing care, absorbs oils, refreshes second day hair. I need to try this. I'm going to try it right now. Okay. There is quite a bit of white residue. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is different. I've never used a foam. Let's see how it blends in with this dark hair of mine. Too bad, actually. I can't really... Let me put it on my scalp here. What do you think? I think it's not too bad. So let's see if it will clean this old hair of mine. I need to give it a wash, but I think it looks good. Also, they gave me a little bit of like essential tools. So they gave me a comb, some bobby pins, and elastics as well. So thank you very much, Mark Anthony. I love your products. I have my mom sold on them now and working on more people, so that's why thank you so much for sharing this because I love it. You can get really good hair stuff at the drugstore. You just have to try it out. So the next products I've been sent are actually ones that you can be sent as well. So if you guys have ever heard of Top Box, this is for my Canadians. It's a subscription box, but they also have a review program as well. So the review program allows anybody to sign up, and if you're lucky, you can get products sent to you. I've been lucky. I've gotten a few things, but these are some recent things I got sent to me. The very first one, and I did have this in my March favorites, I will put a card up here, is the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Tanner. So this was sent to me and I love it. I have it on right now and you guys can see like I need to fix my hands, but you can see the difference. I have like a really nice glow going on with this. This is in deep bronze. I really recommend it. It's really good. They also sent me an Almay mascara as well. So I recently reviewed this. Ew, I got something on it. I recently reviewed this. You guys can check out the video. I'll put a card up here. And it's the Liquid Lash Extenders Mascara. So I really do like this. So I was really lucky. You know, anybody, like I said, can sign up for this. I'll put the link down below. But to get those 2 products, that's at least $20 of free product sent. So that's huge. And this is not sponsored or anything. This is me giving you my secrets towards free stuff. Okay, so the next free thing I got was actually from Influencer, and anybody can sign up for that. I will have a link down below. I've done lots of hauls from things I've gotten from Influencer. I've gotten like perfumes, I've gotten lipsticks, I've gotten a lot of things, really nice things too. So I did get this Deep Moisturizer Dove body wash. I've tried this before. It's really nice, really hydrating. But you should sign up because maybe next time they have something, you'll get that. So another free product I did receive. The next product I did receive was from Neutrogena Canada. So I've worked with them before. So they gave me this big box. Oh my goodness. I almost knocked myself out. So it's from Neutrogena. And what it actually is the new Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Spot Treatment. So they actually sent me the mask too. Man, I could have used this the other day. I had a really bad pimple and it just wouldn't go away. But this one is really nice because it's an on-the-go device for mild to moderate breakouts that instantly delivers a targeted dose of red and blue light to the source of the breakout. So instead of using the mask, this is actually way more portable. And you can get this at Shoppers Drug Mart as well. So I'm really excited, especially like those weeks when you're like PMSing, and I find like down here, that's when you have hormonal breakouts. I look at like pimple maps, I'm like obsessed with them. And I find like that week I have like bad pimples. So I'm really excited to try this. For those that are Canadian, they're at Shoppers and it only takes like 2 minutes to do this. So I can't actually, well, I can wait for a pimple, but I can't wait for the next time I have a bad pimple that I have this to use. And they also gave me some really cute goodies to go along with this. So they gave me this Herschel Co. fanny pack. So that will be really nice to use in the summer when I'm traveling. And also too, they gave me some kind of like cool little patches and pins. I really like the avocado one, and there's a lipstick one as well. So thank you very much, Neutrogena Canada, for this package and also coming out with that product, because this is going to be awesome if you have any kind of breakouts. The next thing, I was so spoiled when I got this package. So this was also PR as well, and it's from Mary Kay. I'm a huge fan of Mary Kay products. You guys have probably seen I've used the CC cream a lot. And on my Instagram lately, I've been using one of the products. I've been using quite a bit of these products lately, but I'm a huge fan. What they sent me was from their new satin body line. So this is the Revitalizing Shea Scrub. I actually haven't tried this yet, but I really want to. I probably would be really good to get like the remnants of this tan off, so I'll probably use it on my hands. You can see I've definitely been using this. This is the Satin Body Silkening Shea Lotion. Smells really good. I really like this. It's like a white tea and citrus smell. So it's like a really nice light smell. It keeps my skin very hydrated too, so I'm really liking that. The next thing they also sent me was their whipped shea cream. So I haven't tried this. I'm really excited though. It says to keep your skin moisturized for 24 hours, so I'm really excited. Summer's coming up. I want to glow. I do not want to look ashy, so these will be really good to use. And I'm not done. They actually sent me some makeup too. So I did mention the eyeshadows they gave me in my last favorites video. So they gave me this. This is the Shades of Jade. And it looks like the blue's kind of broken. But I'm absolutely loving the green. This did fall on the floor. I didn't think anybody broke, but I think we do have a little bit of a casualty. And then they also gave me this berry color. Shades of Berry, and I like, is it called Shades of Berry? Berry Hot. Very hot. So I really like that. There's some really pretty colors that will be nice for summer. And they also gave me their new brush collection. So I haven't gotten to try these, but they gave me 5 brushes, which is amazing. So thank you very much, Mary Kay. I'm really enjoying the eyeshadow and the lotions too. So if you have dry skin, definitely give them a try. You can probably find a consultant in your area, or you can order online. That's what I would do. So the very last products that, I think I have everything covered. So the very last set of products I want to talk about are from a website that anybody can sign up for. You do not have to be a blogger, a YouTuber, vlogger, anything like that. So this would be Chick Advisor. So what it is it's a review site. So you can post reviews about anything, but also too, they team up with companies to do reviews. So I've been on Chick Advisor for like 4 or 5 years now, and I've gotten some really good products. Recently, I did get from the new Essie collection, their Treat Love and Color collection. This is a straightener and a cream nail polish. So I got Motivation. This is what it looks like, and this is brand new, and this is like 10, maybe even more dollars. This is the color as well. It's really pretty, a nice mauve color. So I got to try this out. I'm really liking it. I really like it. Would like to try more colors. So it's really awesome that Chick Advisor gave me that. They also sent me as well the new Love and Beauty Planet stuff. I've been seeing this at like my superstore, and I've really wanted to try it. I think I've seen it at Walmart too. So this is the Shea and Sandalwood shampoo, and it's a hydrating one. Smells really good. They also gave me the Majestic Moisture body wash. Really excited to try that. I can't get enough of body washes, and you use them up so much too. So, and this is the conditioner too, and it actually says it has organic coconut oil, naturally sourced shea butter, ethically sourced sandalwood, safe for colored hair, vegan with plant-based detanglers, fast rinse, not tested on animals, no silicones, no dyes, no parabens, and no guilt. And the bottle was made from 100% recycled plastic. So this company is really doing a lot for, you know, being all natural, but also too being very accessible by being in larger chain stores. So I think I have covered everything that I've gotten lately. So I hope this was a little informative for you guys, and definitely check out Glam Sense and Chick Advisor, because you could be the next one getting free stuff. So give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.